is the Cisco 8832 IP conference phone. The 8832 is a simple, flexible, and scalable solution for even the most diverse rooms. The base unit alone provides 360-degree coverage for any 20 by 20 foot room with up to 10 participants. With its many extension options, the 8832 is ideal for any executive office, conference room, or boardroom. The Cisco 8832 K9 includes the base unit only and does not include any Ethernet or power adapters. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.